Learn sine and cosine in seconds. Simple and clear. Let's start with sine, or sin²θ. In a right triangle, sine describes a ratio between two sides. Specifically, sin² is equal to the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. The opposite side is the one directly across from the angle θ, and the hypotenuse is the longest side of the triangle. So, sine helps us understand how tall the triangle is relative to its longest side. Now, let's look at sine from another perspective, the unit circle. Imagine a circle with radius 1 centered at the origin. When we draw an angle θ, it lands on a point on the circle with coordinates x, y. In this case, sin² is simply the y-coordinate of that point. So instead of a triangle ratio, sine now represents how high the point is on the circle. Next is cosine, or cos²θ. In a right triangle, cosine tells us how much of the hypotenuse lies next to the angle. So, cos² equals the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. The adjacent side is the one right next to the angle θ. This means cosine measures how far the triangle extends horizontally compared to its longest side. Finally, let's connect cosine to the unit circle. Again, we use a circle with radius 1 centered at the origin. For any angle θ, the point on the circle has coordinates x, y. Here, cos² is the x-coordinate of that point. So cosine represents how far left or right the point is on the circle. To summarize, sine and cosine both describe the same angle, but in different ways. In triangles, they are ratios of sides. On the unit circle, they become coordinates. Sine is vertical and cosine is horizontal. Together, they help us describe angles, motion, and waves in mathematics and real life.